Planar DirectLight Pro Series fine pitch micro LED video walls offer stunning visuals for any indoor fixed application. These video walls deliver all the benefits of advanced micro LED technology, including superior brightness and contrast with the same or less power, improved ruggedness, and a wider color space, ultimately delivering more vivid and true-to-life content. Choose from 0.9mm, 1.2mm, 1.5mm, and 1.8mm pixel pitches for sharp visuals. The modular 27-inch and 36-inch cabinets can be customized into any shape, including 90-degree corners and curves. Choose between two options, the standard model for higher brightness, or the low power model for energy savings. The displays are front serviceable and designed for 24/7 mission-critical operation. With 5 times the bandwidth of competitive solutions, the displays reduce total cost of ownership with fewer cabinets and cables and internal components. The displays come standard with the award-winning Planar Wall Director video controller and management software, while also compatible with Brompton and ColorLight controllers. The displays are TAA and ADA compliant, ensuring they meet government and accessibility standards. Backed by Planar's EverCare lifetime limited warranty, the system ensures long-term reliability, making it ideal for corporate lobbies, control rooms, and digital signage.